Hello, everyone. In the previous episode, we introduced what databases and remote databases are. In this episode, we'll introduce the local database feature in Kinco DToolsPro using the example project from the case library. Local database refers to a database installed on a local computer. In scenarios with high requirements for data security, storing data in a local database with strict permission settings can effectively prevent data leakage and ensure production safety. Even in the event of a network outage, users can still access the local database and flexibly backup and recover data, further enhancing data security and reliability. Let's now take a look at how to use the local database feature in Kinco DToolsPro. Unlike the remote database, the local database supports PostgreSQL and SQLite. In addition, users can connect and access the database using multifunctional database management and development tools. In this episode, we'll use DBeaver in combination with the PostgreSQL local database as an example. First, set up the configuration in Kinco DToolsPro. In the left project tree, click on Network Database and add a new database. Select the local database. Here we use PostgreSQL for database type. At the top, under Database List, define your table name, then configure the corresponding fields under the field list. This completes the local database configuration on the HMI side. Next, return to the main configuration window. In the toolbar, select Database Table, then choose the corresponding table name to finish creating and managing the table. Here you also need to bind a variable that will trigger the table to refresh. The steps are the same as we introduced for remote databases in the previous episode. Next, go to Set in the toolbar and select Database Action Settings. You can choose from a variety of operation types as shown in the drop-down. Please note that data transfer is currently supported only for local PostgreSQL databases and requires that field names and data types match exactly. Once all actions are well configured, compile the project and download it to the device to start running. Next, let's look at how to access and operate the data on the HMI. Using DBeaver, you can establish a connection to the HMI's local database. Make sure the settings match the default configuration in DTP. Then click Test Connection. On the left side of the DBeaver interface, the corresponding database tables will appear, allowing direct access to the HMI data. When the database table on the HMI is modified, such as insertions, deletions, or updates, just right-click on a blank area of the data in DBeaver and select Refresh to sync and display the latest data. Similarly, if you update data on the DBeaver side, triggering the bound variable on the HMI for the corresponding database table will update and sync the data on the HMI as well. Thanks for watching.